Hello everyone, thanks for joining my video for CraftStash today. I'm going to create this exploding gift box with the medium exploding gift box die set by Simply Made Crafts by Helen Griffin. I'm going to show you a tip to store these really big dies. I cut the panel where the dies came on at 12 inches. And then you get a square, and I adhere the bottom part to the top part of this panel, so it still looks really nice. Also the name will be on there, which is always nice. Then I took a magnetic sheet, an A4 sheet, and cut it to 10.5 inches, as you can see here. And I used some strong tape to adhere that to the panel there. And I have to fight sometimes with the backing of this tape, but in the end it will always work out. So that's the last one. Now I can adhere the magnetic sheet, and you see you can still read the name of the die set and also the name of the designer. There's 11 pieces in this set, so that's a lot. And here I'm taking a LP sleeve to put it away, and that works really well. These are the pieces I need for my box today. The sides of the exploding box have 2 tabs. If you want to create a normal box, you leave the tab on, you see here. But if you want to create the exploding box, you cut off the smallest tab. Don't ask me how many times I did it wrong. Oh gosh. And this piece here, the bottom of the box, you need to cut yourself at 4 1/8 and 4 1/8, or 10.4 by 10.4 centimeters. I used the same strong tape for the tabs here to adhere it to the bottom panel. But you can also use any strong tape or glue you prefer. So I'm just adhering my pieces here. And if you stay till the end of this video, there's a giveaway for one of these sets. So that's really nice. But you do need a Big Shot Plus or another bigger die cutting machine, so keep that in mind. And that's the last one. So now the bottom of my exploding box is done, and I'm going to put the lid together. This paper I bought a few years ago in a local craft store, so it's just some cheaper paper, but it's really sturdy and I love the design for this purpose. It's a 50-year wedding anniversary, so it's a romantic design and I really like that. Again, I'm putting some tape on the tabs here, but it took me some time, so I'm going to do it differently with the next one. And this box comes together really easy because the dies cut out everything perfectly, so you can't go wrong, and that's really nice, and it's quite fast as well. Unfortunately, I lost a bit of footage from this video. I don't know where it is, but it's lost. The bit you're not going to see is where I cut out the letters love from the fine alphabet die from old to new with gold foil, and also some extra layers for the lids of the smaller boxes, but you'll see that on the photos at the end of the video. And I used the Brother label printer and ribbon maker, and I love that thing. Oh my gosh. I printed some gold letters, really nice matching text on this ribbon, and it's so beautiful. It's pink with gold, so it matches perfectly with the colors of this box, and it's really easy to do, so I love that label maker. So now I've put one of the smaller boxes together, as you can see. And that's the last one. So now I can put the box together. These smaller boxes go into the corner, or of course the same corner at every part of this exploding box. Again, I'm using this strong tape. And in between I'm checking if my box will still close, always checking and rechecking. Also, for the inside of this exploding box, I cut out an extra panel at 4" by 4" to hide the tabs you see there, and that way it looks a bit more nice, but that's totally up to you if you want to do that or not. Now this box closes perfectly, and then we're going straight to the end result because I lost that footage. I'm so sorry for that. Please stick to the end to enter the giveaway. Thanks so much for watching. I'll be back really soon with another video. Bye bye! Thanks so much for watching my video today, and I'm going to give away one of these medium exploding box die sets. So what you need to do is subscribe to my channel, leave a comment and let me know which country you're coming from. The giveaway is open to everyone, so it doesn't matter where you live, but I really like to know. Thank you so much for watching. Have a great day. Bye bye!